You're watching B Stav Fishing and Outdoor Adventures Biker Edition. Like, subscribe, click that notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. Well, today I decided I'm changing out the mirrors on my CVO ST. I went with Advanblack Axion Performance style with carbon inlay. Not sure I like them yet. I'm also not sure I should have put them on when I was drunk. B Stav Fishing Nation, what's going on? What's going on? So I was just out partying a little bit, got a little Uber home, so I'm a little got my wiggle on. Yep. And then had a box on my front step. Woohoo! I'm not a big unboxer, everybody, but we know what? We're gonna unbox this bitch right now on B Stav Fishing and Outdoor Adventures. Holy mackerel! All right, where's my knife? I lost my knife. Shit. Where is my knife? Where did it go? Where did it go? Get up and go outside. What did I do with that knife? I had a nice knife right here. Oh, I found it. Yes, this is an old school knife, this one here. I need two hands to open it. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, that ain't going to work. Hold on. We got this. Hold on, guys. Don't go nowhere. I got it. Okay, I got it. All right, let's see. Probably shouldn't do any installs and shit when I've been out partying. But, oh, wait. What the hell? I'm going to have to hold this. Boing. Let's do this. We're just going to wind up ripping this. I think it's probably easier to rip it open. Oh, wait, no, we're doing good. You think? Did I do it? I think I got it. Oh, yeah. I don't know that I should be doing any addition. Oh, what the heck? Man, yo, Advanblack, you guys don't mess around, fellas. Look at this. This thing is locked down tight. Tighter than a gnat's ass over a rain barrel. Oh, get back there. Hold on. All right, I think I got this way. Yeah, it's my first package ever from Advanblack. Man, this thing is wrapped up. Guys, hold on a minute. Oh, this is huge. Huge. Unboxing. Please, God, let me be able to do this with one hand. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Advanblack. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. A couple stickers in there. That's going on the fridge. The garage fridge. Ready? Boom. Oh, that's nice and thick. I'm going to say, oh, my Lord. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my kunji. Yo, those are nice. Those are sleek. Oh, is that carbon fiber in the back? Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're sleek. So they're a little smaller than what I got. I should have kind of went with the other ones. I don't know. They're definitely smaller, right? Smaller than what I got. But I think I'm going to like them. What do you think? All right, let's put these on. I hope I like these. Man, they're kind of small. All right, let's see. Let's see if I like these. Shit. I got them off Amazon, so I can always send them back and get the other ones. Let's do it. Yo, Dr. Doolittle over here. All right, guys, listen. To take the old factory, turn that off. Take the factory mirrors off, right? Take those factory mirrors off. These puppies here, you're coming up under here, getting this right here. I know it's a little dark. It's, what do we got here? Husky, motherfucker, half inch. That's a half incher. Okay, we're going to take that off, all right? So, trust me when I tell you. Now, I got one on already. I'll wait till I take this one off and I'll show you both. They're smaller, but I think I like them. I think I love you, and I'm going to leave you on my STO. I mean my CVO, I mean my ST, I mean my... I love it. Yo, guys, what do you think? Ooh, looking good. I don't know. We'll see. Well, I'll be honest with you, they're really small. So I really have to see if they work for me, right? I'm sure they will once I get out on the road. All right, cool. Should I look from the front? Advanblack, forged carbon, or actually it's regular carbon, but I love it. We'll see if I like them. Listen, worst case scenario, I change them out. I get new ones. I'll send these back. I'll get the bigger ones. All right, like, subscribe, say your prayers to the man upstairs. Guys, the build goes on, and the build goes on, and the build goes on. Thank God for Uber, Surfside iced teas, and vodka. Oh, gummy. All right, guys, here's a little before and after. There's the factory black. Here's the new Advanblack Axion in red. Let me know what you think down below. Drop me a comment. I may be getting different ones linked down below as well. Like, subscribe, say your prayers to the man upstairs. God bless you, your families, and God bless America. Get off the couch, go for a ride.